Is this on?
Excuse me? You want me to do it?
You want me to make brown butter?
What's brown butter?
I have absolutely no idea.
It sounds like brown sugar mixed with butter.
All right.
So,
There is a setting on this that says brown.
I'm gonna click that.
I'm assuming clearly I'm going to use the butter.
The butter is now melting.
It's pretty yellow. It has not gone brown yet.
Yeah, it doesn't look great so far.
I'm gonna turn it up, I think.
oh, here it is. It's getting browner.
It's like spattering a little bit. Oh, mother of God. Ow.
Oh, stop. Slow down. Oh, man, this is like a nightmare. Hope I don't start a fire.
But I am a professional, so I know how to handle this situation. We were taught this in culinary school. Oh!
I feel like we're getting somewhere.
We'll give it a couple more seconds.
I wonder how brown is it supposed to be?
There's like weird stuff in it.
Now it's starting to smell a little burnt.
I think I burned it.
Kind of looks like tea. I didn't even know you could make tea from butter, which is kind of cool.
I have no idea how to brown butter.
Okay.
Brown butter.
Let's see if it works.
Dump this sucker in there.
I'm swirling it around so it coats the bottom of the pan.
So I'm just gonna melt the butter down.
Swirl so that it caramelizes evenly.
Butter that's closer to the bottom of the pan is going to brown much more quickly than the butter that's on top of that.
When it's done, it will be brown.
Another good way to tell when the butter's getting brown is to smell it.
When it gets aromatic as hell, that's when it's turning out good.
You can smell the nuttiness of the butter coming through.
I think I got it.
This is it.
Look how brown that is.
Does it taste good?
Oh, that's really gross.
So for making brown butter, I'm just adjusting my heat to medium high. We don't want to scorch the butter, so we're not going to go full blast here. And what we're looking for is the sizzling first, the foaming in the butter, and then we're looking for some browning around the edges. And what this is going to do for us is give us a kind of sweet, nutty flavor to the finished brown butter. This is a fairly quick process. We're about 3/4 of the way there. The fat is not likely to burn until this gets really hot, but the milk solids will burn fairly quickly. So what we want to do is keep that moving so that we don't have anything just sitting in one hot spot on the pan and scorching. Then we are ready to go.
Brown!
Do I want to taste it? Of course I do. Why wouldn't I want to taste this?
I just burned my tongue. It tastes like butter. Oh.